Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you. Install Node, JS, LTS, and Git, then open your project folder in Visual Studio Code. This gives you the integrated terminal and editor instantly. Once done, initialize a Git repo and install key extensions like Server, Prettier, and ESLint so code runs and stays consistent. Make sure to set Format on Save and choose the right node version. These actions save time and avoid environment drift later. You now focus on building. Scaffold a project with npm init or a starter like Create React App to get source and public folders ready. Then configure ESLint and Prettier so your code is consistent. Add a vscode/settings. JSON to share workspace rules with teammates. Use the integrated terminal for installs, split the editor for parallel files, and run the built-in debugger. Breakpoints and stepovers speed up problem solving. As you code, commit small changes so you can revert when needed. You wrap up by creating a production build and verifying it locally using Server or a lightweight static server so you catch environment differences early. Once verified, deploy to Vercel, Netlify, or your server, and add a simple CI pipeline with GitHub Actions so tests run on every push. If something breaks, use the VS Code debugger and console logs to trace errors. Make sure to isolate changes by reverting recent commits, which quickly reveals which commit introduced the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.